Let's solve a rational equation. It's an equation that has an equal sign. Because it has an equation, I can multiply left side and the right side. And what I'm going to do is multiply by the LCD, and I'm going to watch my fractions disappear. What's the LCD here? Well, LCD has to have a 3, a 6, and a 3. Okay, 3, 6, and 3 all have to go into this number. Well, they all go into 18, but the least common denominator is 6. They all go into 6. And 6 is the only thing I'm going to need to cancel these out. So let's multiply everything by the LCD. And if you're not so great at finding the LCD right now, it will get easier the more problems you work. This times 6, this times 6, and this times 6. Everything times 6, every term. And now what happens, you ready? Oh, magic, it's going to cancel out. So 3 goes into here once, 3 goes into here twice. 6 goes into here once, 6 goes into here once. 3 goes into here once, 3 goes into here twice. Now let's see what I'm left with. My first term, I'm going to be left with 2 times x minus 2 equals, and my next term, all I'm left with is just this x plus, and in the next term, I'm left with 4 times 2. And 4 times 2 is 8. Now I have a linear equation that I'm going to solve. Step 1, solving a linear equation. Distribute. 2 times x is 2x. Minus 2 times 2 is 4. Next step, combine like terms. I don't have any like terms here. I don't have any like terms here. Next step is get all of my variables to the same side. So I'm going to subtract a 1x on this side and subtract 1x on this side. I will have x minus 4 equals 8. And one more step. Add 4 to both sides. X equals 12. Okay, you have to check it to make sure that if you plug the 12 into the denominators that you wouldn't get a 0. And in this case, we have no variables in the denominators, so there's no way to turn these into zeros no matter what you plug in for x. So this one is good.